In this quick guide, you'll learn how to remove or change an email address on your Facebook account in just a few steps. Start by opening Facebook in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to edit. Now go to your account menu. On desktop, that's the profile picture in the top corner. On mobile, look for the three-line menu icon. In the menu, find and tap or click Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings to open your account controls. From here, locate the section called Personal Details or Personal Information. This is where your contact info lives. Open Contact Info to see all email addresses and phone numbers linked to your Facebook account. Next, select the email address you want to remove or change. Then choose Edit or Manage to open its options. If you're changing your email, add your new email address first, then confirm it using the code or link Facebook sends you. Once your new email is confirmed and marked as primary, you can safely remove the old email from your account. To remove an email, choose Remove or Delete next to that address, then confirm when Facebook asks if you're sure. Double check that at least one verified email stays on your account so you don't lose access or important notifications. That's it. You've updated your Facebook email. Save these steps and review your contact info regularly to keep your account secure and up to date.